Ayan, magto-12 na sa Pinas, guys. Okay, kakain na tayo ng grapes. Ayan, so, bale, 11:59. So, kailangan nating mag-12. So, waiting tayo. I-wait natin, look. Saan? Kita nyo naman, nasa ilalim ako ng table. So, kakain tayo ng grapes. 12 pieces ng grapes. Ayan. So, magto 12 na. Let's see. Magto 12. Kaya natin to. 12 grapes. Then, 12. Ayan, magto 12 na. Yay! Happy New Year, guys! Happy New Year sa Pinas and kakain tayo ng grapes. Let's go! Welcome 2026. Let's eat the grapes. And nasa ilalim tayo ng table.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze.
Naubos natin yung 12 pieces na grapes. Then, habang kumakain ako ng isang grapes, nagwi-wish ako. So, yung 12 na pieces na grapes, so 12 din yung mga wish ko. So, babalikan natin tong video to after 1 year. And sana lahat ng winish natin ay magkatotoo. So, Happy New Year, everyone! Naubos natin yung grapes. Bye!